Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.6, Problem 2. This is Section 3.6, Problem 2. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 3/4. So quite a few people recognize this as being equivalent to 0.75, but let's see why, or if you don't know that or don't remember that. What you have to do, any fraction, you're going to write it as a division problem. So I'll make my division symbol. The numerator goes under the division symbol. It would be called the dividend. The denominator goes in front of the division symbol. It's called a divisor. The names aren't really important. So now you start the division problem. So 4 divides into 3. It just won't. 3 is not big enough. So what you want to do is write it as 3.0. Pretend it's a 30, but that decimal point is going to come straight up vertically. So 4 will divide into 30. As close as you're going to get is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. And now if I subtract 30 minus 28 is 2. And now it doesn't go in evenly, and we're not done. So you can fill in as many zeros as you have to. So I'll put in another 0. I'll think of it as 3.00. And now that second 0 I can bring straight down. Treat it as a 20. Now 4 divides into 20. It goes in 5 times. And now it'll go in evenly. 5 times 4 is 20. You have a remainder of 0. And there's your 0.75. 3/4 is equivalent to 0.75. And if you like, you can write it as 0.75. It doesn't matter if you have the 0 in front of the decimal or not.